How to quiet anxious thoughts. Anxiety can be a difficult thing to manage, but there are ways to help quiet the anxious thoughts that plague us. In this video, we'll discuss some simple yet effective strategies for calming your mind and dealing with anxiety in a positive way. Watch to learn how you can take control of your thoughts and find peace. Attempt cognitive distancing. Cognitive distancing is one of the most effective ways to quiet anxious thoughts. It involves recognizing that your thoughts are not necessarily facts and putting some distance between yourself and them. By doing this, you can begin to view your thoughts objectively and separate yourself from them. Mindfulness helps you to distance yourself from your thoughts and to be more present in the moment. Several studies have shown that cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, can be effective in reducing anxiety symptoms, and cognitive distancing is a key part of this approach. CBT encourages you to challenge negative thinking patterns and replace them with healthier ways of thinking. With practice, you can learn how to recognize irrational thinking and replace it with more balanced, realistic thoughts. Practice the 4-4-4 breathing technique. Once you start to feel your anxious thoughts calming down, it is time to practice the 4-4-4 breathing technique. This technique involves breathing in for 4 counts, holding the breath for 4 counts, and finally exhaling for 4 counts. You can also use this technique to help you relax your body and mind and shift your focus away from anxious thoughts. To get started, breathe in deeply through your nose for 4 counts of time. Make sure you fill your lungs completely and hold the breath for 4 counts of time before slowly exhaling through your mouth for 4 counts of time. Repeat this process until you feel relaxed and at ease. Be in the present and be in the now. Focus on the present moment instead of letting anxious thoughts run away with you. To bring yourself back to the present, try the 5 senses exercise. Hold your fist out and focus on how it feels in your hand. Take a few moments to notice what's around you, the feeling of your feet on the floor, the sound of birds chirping outside, the smell of a nearby flower. This mindfulness exercise can help quiet anxious thoughts and bring you back to the present. Drink less caffeine. But if you still crave coffee, try drinking a decaf blend or tea, which can also help with concentration and elevate mood. Caffeine can bring on the jitters, so sip a second espresso after you've had time to observe how your body feels. Listen to music as a way to calm anxious thoughts. Continuing to manage your anxious thoughts, listening to music is another great way to relax. Research has shown that music can reduce anxiety by up to 65%. The key is to listen with a purpose and find music that aligns with the state you're in. If you're feeling anxious, try a slower, soothing song. The calming rhythm will help relax your body and mind. This could be just the thing you need to unwind and regain focus on the present moment. Practice progressive muscle relaxation. Practice progressive muscle relaxation to help quiet anxious thoughts. This technique has been effectively used to control stress and anxiety, relieve insomnia, and create a sense of relaxation. To practice, find a quiet space, sit or lie down, and then gradually tense and relax muscles from your head to your toes. Aim to focus on the present moment while you do this and think positive thoughts as you work your way through the body. The practice can take 15 to 20 minutes, but if done regularly it can help reduce overall tension and stress levels. Listen to your inner whispers. By paying attention to the inner whispers that come and go, one can differentiate between genuine signs of danger and anxieties brought on by the mind. Whether it's a gut feeling or a voice of intuition, listening to one's inner guidance allows them to make decisions with confidence. Practicing meditation or imagery can help to control this inner voice. Additionally, creating quiet moments is also beneficial for calming anxious thoughts. Eat healthy and exercise regularly. In addition to employing relaxation and breathing exercises, eating healthy and exercising regularly can be effective in helping to quell anxious thoughts. When we eat nutritious meals, we are providing our bodies with the fuel it needs to stay healthy and energized. Eating a balanced diet full of fresh fruits and vegetables can have a positive impact on our mental health as well. Similarly, engaging in physical activity is known to reduce anxiety. Evidence suggests that regular exercise works as well as medication for some individuals to lessen the symptoms of depression and anxiety. Any form of exercise, such as gardening, washing the car or going for a walk, can be helpful in reducing stress. Eating healthy, exercising regularly, and limiting caffeine consumption are all important aspects of managing anxiety. It's also important to listen to your inner whispers and share any anxious thoughts with a trusted friend or family member. By using these techniques, you can learn how to quiet anxious thoughts. Find healthy ways to manage anxiety. By engaging in healthy activities that make you feel good, you can help to manage your anxiety in a positive way. From guided meditation to lifestyle changes, there are many strategies that you can try. Eating well-balanced meals, cutting down on caffeine intake, and listening to calming music can help to cool down anxious thoughts. Progressive muscle relaxation and focusing on your breathing can also help to ease the physical symptoms associated with anxiety. You can also let go of worries by disconnecting yourself from them and focusing on being present in the moment. By taking these steps, you can learn to let go of anxious thoughts and worry in a healthy way. Stay positive and believe in yourself.